Hi everybody, it is Morgan Schick. Good morning, good Monday. Okay, I am going to put this up on Instagram, on IGTV, because I'm going to do a very quick makeup tutorial. I'm gonna try and get through this in 5 minutes, so we are not wasting your time. I have a meeting downtown, so I need to take a subway in New York, so I wanna get myself together. But I want to look good in the process. So if you've never seen my Instagram before, my name is Morgan Schick. I was a Ford model for a million years. I'm 56 years old. And I want you guys to look your very best without looking like you're trying so hard. So good morning. I'm going to start now. I'm going to use, I have my skin is already prepped. I woke up this morning. I rinsed my skin. Hi you guys, I rinsed my skin with water. I do not wash my face twice a day. I only wash my face once a day at night to get off the dirt, the debris, makeup, everything from the night. I put all my serums, my oils, my actives on before I go to bed. When I wake up in the morning, I just rinse my skin. Good morning, you guys. Rinse my skin well, but I do not wash my face twice a day. I know other people think you should wash your face twice a day, and it's awesome if it works for them. I believe that I've used my actives at night, and then when I wake up in the morning, I don't want to disturb the moisture barrier, the pH, and my moisture microbiome of my skin by re-washing it. So I only rinse it at night. And some people will say, well, you have all those actives on, you have to clean it off. No. Try it for 4 days. That's all I'm asking you. Try not washing your face in the morning for 4 days and tell me how your skin feels. To me, it changed my life. My skin feels so much calmer and softer in the morning. Got some great compliments on my skin. Yay! Yes, Bridget. Active Argan. Yes, I'm so happy you're sharing that. Okay, so I'm going to start. I worked out. I did a 5-minute facial, really for 5 minutes. Because I have a meeting and I have to get on a subway in New York City. So I'm just gonna I have serums and oils on. So I have Day Factor serum on. This is bronzing oil. I put it where the sun would hit my skin. That's where I put bronzing oil. And it's so moisturizing, I love it. And then I just use it on the back of my hands, whatever's left over, and then I just wipe my hands off. If you can wipe it off if you don't want it on the bottom of your face, but I like it everywhere. I love to look like I have a little bronze. Okay, then I'm going to take my hide and highlight. I'm going to do a little bit under my eyes. Do you see where my eyes are dark? Most people have this little shadow underneath from their brow bone and from their nose bone right here. So if you brighten that up, it changes so much of your face. So I'm gonna go as fast as I can so you guys, we can all get out of here in 5 minutes and I cannot be late for my meeting downtown. So that's my eyes. And then I just take my finger and smooth it over my eyelid as a makeup base, as well as it just cancels out some of the broken, some of the blood vessels that shine through. But I will tell you, stem cells has completely changed that. My skin is so much thicker. So then I'm gonna take the lighter hide and highlight and I'm gonna go where the natural shadows of your face are. Now, every person whose makeup I've ever done had the same shadows here. It's the cheekbone shadows, the mouth shadows, the puppet line shadows. If you bounce those up just 1 or 2 shades, it really makes your face come to life. Then I take the color that's closest to my perfect skin. Remember, everyone has at least 1 inch of perfect skin. We want to match the rest of your skin to that skin without ruining your perfect skin by using an all-over foundation. And then you can either I will take a sponge, take a clean sponge, and I will just bounce this out a little bit. Good morning, you guys. We're doing a 5-minute facial. A 5-minute makeup. I already did a 5-minute facial. You can see my skin is calm. It's moist, and I don't know, you guys. My skin gets better and better and better. And I think that we can all have beautiful skin if we stop over processing it. Okay, bounced it all up. Let's do our lips. This is Palladia. You can get this online, or you can get this at any, has this one ever been opened? No, this one is open. At any online, Amazon, Palladia, ear to your shoulder so you can see your lip ridge. I have a trick for you. When you do this, see, I did this side. Do your lip ridge, but really exaggerate the bow. I'm coming, Abra. That's why I'm doing this right now. I'm doing my makeup before my meeting with you guys. And do the bow. See, we're staining this so we don't have any weight of wax on this. That's with my meetings with. Very important person, Abra Prakan. See the difference? It just makes your lips so much bigger without adding any of that wax weight. The wax weight's the problem. As soon as you have that wax weight, your lips look like they're fake. We don't want that. We want you to look super beautiful, totally naturally. And then I'm gonna just use the Ilia. I don't know if I'm saying that right because I don't work for any of these people. This lip gloss is really fresh and light. Now let's do our eyebrows. This is from NYX. I don't work for them. None of these people. I'm going to just fill in my brows. Remember, your brows do not have to be too much darker. They don't have to be too much thicker, but what they do have to be is the same, they have to be perpendicular with your cheekbones and your jaw. So when you lift your brow, lift your temple and extend your brow, you are actually opening up your eye area. Do you see how much bigger my eye area looks just by doing my brow? I'm gonna do this side, because remember, I'm 56, so my eyebrows have thinned out a lot. Now, this is a lesson to you. If you're younger and you haven't lost testosterone, do not overpluck the outside parts of your eyes, because that's the part that stops growing the fat soonest. So you don't want to do that. Then I'm going to use Tom Ford. This has wax in it. I want a little wax because I don't have a lot of eyebrows. We don't want wax on our lips. Beautiful. I have everything active argan, but can't live without stem cell. I agree with you. I cannot live without stem cell either. I can't. I literally cannot. It's a problem. Okay, and then we'll just brush through the eyebrows. Let's do the eyes. And then I've got to get out of here because I cannot be late. Like, there's nothing worse than being late because you're on a live with the person who knows you should be on time. I am lining the tree trunks of my lashes so I get an intense eye without looking like too harsh. You see that? Lining the tree trunks, which is the very base of your lash line, and then pull it out a tiny bit. This is from Marc Jacobs. Do not work for them. And then I'm going to take a smudge brush, if I can find it, because I didn't leave it out. Here it is. This is from Laura Mercier. Don't work for them. I'm going to pull it out. Do you see how I'm pulling it out? And then I'm going to go above my natural crease. My natural crease is small. My eyes are small. If we fudge it with the line, we can make our eyes appear bigger just by going above where our brow bone is. Do you see that? And that creates a larger brow bone, higher crease, and it opens the eyes up. Now, I have done this trick on people with even with really big eyes, and it really still works. It's like it never stops giving. And then I'm just going to take this as a Juice Beauty. I'm just going to add that to that other brow bone that I just did and go under my eye. Oh, you can see I just like hit that. Just wipe that off. And then I'm just going to add that one. Okay, Maria, I don't know how to do that, but I'm not going to do a request today because I'm so late. And if I'm late for this meeting when they knew I was on a live, it's really bad form. Okay, I'm going to curl my lashes, but DM me if you have a question. I'm going to use the Clinique Lash Builder because you guys know I have no lashes and they're white blonde. I color my hair blonde because it's now gray, but my lashes are still white blonde and they have been my whole life. So I have to use a lash builder, and then I'm using, and I don't work for Clinique, and this is Ilia mascara because it is clean. There's no tar in it, and I do not work for Ilia. Katie Shelley, I think that's how I say her name, from the Sculpt Society. She's a trainer. She turned me on to Ilia. I think she's like an ambassador for them. But I am not. I just think their mascara is pretty good. Okay, I'm going to do a tiny bit of blush, a tiny bit of sculpting. I'm going to fix my hair, and then I'm going to get on a subway. If you guys have no worries, have an awesome day. Thank you, Maria. Text me if you have a question, and we can set up to do a live if you want to. I've never really done one. I think I've done it once, and I don't think I was great at it. It took me a long time to set up, but I can try it again. All right, here we go. Wow, isn't that such a difference in like 5 minutes? I mean, not that, okay, this is the Studio 10. I do not work for them. I'm just gonna give myself a tiny bit of like more structured cheekbone. And here's a trick. If you use a bronzer powder, oh, thank you, Princess. Thanks, you guys. Thanks everybody for whoever came on here. Here's a trick. Take the sculpting powder, right? And just go to the side of your nose on both sides with just a brush that's like a blending brush for an eye. And then just do your nose a little bit. If you just want to have a little bit of more, a little bit, I don't want it, if you can see it, you did too much. I just want a little bit of structure to the nose. And then I'm just gonna use, this is Jane Iredale. It's really like a really pretty bronzing blush. Oops, sorry, dropped this. Okay. And I am wearing a jumpsuit that makes me look like I'm a gardener. And I actually should use this for my garden. All right, I'm done. Thanks, you guys. Okay, that was fast. I love you all. I will see you guys on another live, and I'll put this on Instagram. Have a great day. See you guys.